Just had the new Flowmaster exhaust with the Series 50 muffler put on. I had that muffler originally, but I had the tails coming straight out the back, and then now I had them do the tips angled right in front of the rear tires. And then my daughter started up. All right, Melissa, start it up. Sounds pretty beefy at idle. Hit the gas a little bit. Give it gas. Again. Get a little close up here. Again. Hold the gas down. Hold it down. Oh, there you have it. Just a quick video.